I'm going to show you how to turn your ignition on and start your truck or van or car when your ignition cylinder is worn out, and this will be the same for GMC, Chevys, all GM products. Okay, put the key in, and then you have to start pulling very slow and turning at the same time. So in, just very slow, not too far. Here, one, turn on, go back, for example. Two, see, catched, just to worn out the cylinder. Key is pretty worn out too. Okay, let's do one more time. You just pull very lightly a bit back and turn at the same time. Here we go. Now you can start it. Okay guys, if it will help someone, that's fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.